My name is Artur Gonçalves. I come from Portugal. I am an EIT Manufacturing Doctoral Graduate student, and I study artificial intelligence at the University of Porto. I first joined the doctoral school in 2020 when we were just about to exit the COVID situation, and for me it was the obvious decision as soon as I saw the program and all that it contained, namely the opportunity to explore different locations, different cultures, and also an opportunity to express myself in a multidisciplinary event, especially being surrounded by people that are not from the same field of expertise as me, and forced me to not only express myself clearly, but also listen to other ideas and share that with them. Having an EIT label certificate in my profile and in my curriculum is a statement that I experienced a diversified program, a program which forced me to think not only scientifically, but entrepreneurial and incorporate innovation, not just as simply a way to challenge myself in new scientific ideas and methods, but also identify ways of connecting my work with real-life applications. The IME program, as we explored and witnessed, challenged us to become not only skilled scientists, but also understood how that science that we make, create, and try to incorporate into the real world in a clear way, so that that value proposition that we have as PhD students become relevant from day zero into the real world and the market. One of the best experiences that we had during the program was going outside and seeing what real-life companies are doing these days, not only in terms of already established markets and products, but also how they incorporate R&D solutions into their ongoing and existing businesses. Companies like Hansa in Estonia or CEA in France helped us understanding that different locations go for the same goal, becoming relevant in an ever-changing world. And as PhD students, we need to be aware of that as soon as we enter the program does not mean that it is the same world we are living as soon as we finish. If you are looking forward to challenges that force you getting out of your comfort zone, of your own box, and not only in a personal, academic, but in the future, in a professional way, becoming an international experiment of undergoing PhD studies and mobility and working all at once, EIT Manufacturing Doctoral School could be the perfect place for you to help you not only achieving all these goals, but setting yourself up to the world of tomorrow. Not all about this program is work. One of the greatest things that you can also bring back home is exactly the opportunity to share this with unique people that shape you and will forever transform you into someone else. And one of the wonderful things that you have is at the end, a graduating ceremony where you can share it with those special people, the people that helped you getting all the way through this wonderful experience and transform yourself not only into a PhD graduate, but also someone who will shape the future of manufacturing.